happy rhyme, kids.
Tick-tock. Hickory dickory tick and tock. Welcome to the clock shop lock. Mice in aprons fix each gear, making time both far and near. Cuckoo birds and chiming bells tell the tales each clock face tells. Tiny hammers ping and play, keeping hours night and day. When every clock goes ding-a-ding, the mice all dance in a tiny ring. Tick-tock, joy is what they bring. Hickory dickory tick and tock. Welcome to the clock shop lock. Mice in aprons fix each gear, making time both far and near. Cuckoo birds and chiming bells tell the tales each clock face tells. Tiny hammers ping and play, keeping hours night and day. When every clock goes ding-a-ding.
We love to sing our happy song. Come and join us, clap along. Sing a song of cupcakes sweet, sugar clouds and sprinkles neat. 20 cakes all lined in rows, with frosting hats and candy blows. A cherry dropped, the crowd went yum. The baker played a candy drum. The smell was soft like dreams that shine. Each cupcake danced in sugar delight. They sang and swirled in pink delight, till moon said sleep now sweet tonight. Cupcake dreams in soft moonlight. Cupcake dreams in soft moonlight. La la la, spin and sing with glee. Frosting swirls for you and me. Ribbons bright, a happy sight. Sing a song of cupcakes sweet, sugar clouds and sprinkles neat. 20 cakes all lined in rows, with frosting hats and candy blows. A cherry dropped, the crowd went yum. The baker played a candy drum. The smell was soft like dreams that shine. Each cupcake danced in sugar delight. They sang and swirled in pink delight, till moon said sleep now sweet tonight. Cupcake dreams in soft moonlight. La la la, spin and sing with glee. Frosting swirls for you and me. Ribbons bright, a happy. Georgie Porgy loved to mix with spoons and jars and sticky tricks. He made a jam that bounced and glowed. Jiggle basket on the front. A Jan and Sam out Montbrickeat, and Bear split out a caliber feet. It fashed the walls, it painted hair, and drunk right up in Christmas hair.
Then
Georgie
chuckles.
liked la la la. Wiggle and jiggle with me, so happy and free.
Georgie, laughing. I'm gonna get you.
Georgie Porgy loved to mix with spoons and jars and sticky tricks. He made a jam that bounced and glowed. Jiggle basket on the front. A Jan and Sam out Montbrickeat, and Bear split out a caliber feet. too. The sheep said, "Bah, that's quite a sight." The rooster crowed with pure delight. It danced and beeped the whole night through, then charged itself in morning dew. MacDonald laughed, "You're better than 10." The fawn cheered loud again and again, all thanks to that bright robot head.
Well, I'll be.
Miss Muffet sat to eat her pie when colors burst across the sky. A spider slid with rainbow threads and painted clouds above their heads. "Don't fear," it said, "I love to spin. Bright
Hello,
bridges
friend.
where the dreams begin."
Don't be afraid. Nice
Miss
to
Muffet
meet you.
smiled and shared her snack. The rainbow up shone blue and black. They laughed until the stars grew wide and slid down sparkles side by side. A rainbow friend, she won with pride. Through fields of green and sky so blue, new adventures wait for me and you. With every step a lesson learned, as curious minds are gently turned. From Treesy, we'll learn about the world with ease. She sings in long, let voices chime in this delightful, happy time. Sunbeams dance, the flowers sway as we explore and learn each day. With numbers bright and letters bold, new stories waiting to unfold.
Hello, friend.
From counting stars
Don't
to
be
naming
afraid.
hues, there's so
Nice
much
to meet
wonder
you.
to infuse. So clap your hands and tap your feet. Learning's fun and oh so sweet. Miss Muffet's friend, the spider kind, left worries far, far behind. With gentle whispers, soft and low, they watch the magic brightly glow. Let's see, discover what they could be. So let us learn and grow and play and brighten up each passing day. Bo Peep looked high, her sheep were gone. She grabbed her boots and floated on. A rocket whooshed into the night. She zipped past stars so twinkly bright. Her sheep were bouncing on the moon. They sang in helmets quite in tune. They played with comets bright and round and left their hoof prints all around. Bo Peep laughed loud, "You silly crew." She hugged them all in stardust blue, then flew back home with Space Wool too. Bo Peep looked high, her sheep were gone. She grabbed her boots and floated on. A rocket whooshed into the night. She zipped past stars so twinkly bright. Her sheep were bouncing on the moon. They sang in helmets quite in tune. They played with comets bright and round and left their hoof prints all around. Bo Peep laughed loud, "You silly crew." She hugged them all in stardust blue, then flew back home with Space Wool too.